unboxing a new graphics card. This is a GTX GeForce 1660 Super.
And show the front one.
And this is my old graphics card. GeForce GTX 1060. Our old one. New one. Okay.
Give me, I'll show it first. So this is
graphics card.
Graphics card 6 gig whatever is that. Oh, C4K, 3 times monitors, 3-year warranty. So this is GeForce GTX. There you go. 1660 Super. So how it looks like. Of course, it's like this one too. I guess this is so dusty. This one is still working, but he bought this one. I don't know. And we bought this for how much?
This is the smaller guy.
It's a smaller?
More powerful. Yeah,
So it's shorter than this.
one fan, that's 2 fans.
So okay, open it and do it. This is the GeForce GTX 1060, and this is
the 1660 Super.
1660 Super, and this is the GeForce GTX 1060. Sorry guys, this is kinda dusty. And that's that one. That's the new one. So that's how it looks like. Let me see it. So GeForce, is this supposed to be? It smells like, I don't know, it smells like new. So let me see it, show it. So this is how it looks like. It's so small compared to this one. It's look how small is it? XLRB, there you go. See, it's like half. It's like half of it, but how come this one has 2 fans and this one has
Type it is. This is just a single fan one. It's okay.
So this is more powerful than that one, though.
Yeah, this one's newer technology. This is older.
Okay. How old do we have this one?
This one's from 2016. This one came out in 2019. So a lot newer.
Now we gotta.
It's hard to find graphics
We have to
cards
try
now.
that one.
Yeah, I'm gonna
see how it goes, guys.